Today we are delighted to witness the joint venture agreement signing between Zimbabwe Fish Producers Association and Melus, an investor in the cold chain facilities, towards the establishment of a cold chain facility between these two parties in Manicaland Province, Mutare District. Would like to also acknowledge the work that has been done in terms of supporting this intervention through the Fish for ACP project, where we recognize the EU, the BMZ, and also FAO for supporting this project. So basically, when we are looking at fish production in Manicaland Province, that's where we have most aquaculture activities happening. So nationally, as a country, we are producing around 8,211 metric tons from farmed tilapia, from the farmed tilapia value chain. So of these 8,211 metric tons that we are producing as a country from aquaculture activities, around 40% of these are coming from Manicaland Province, in particular Mutasa District, Chipinge District, Chimanimani District, and other districts that are in Manicaland Province. So, as a Ministry of Agriculture, we managed to conduct an aquaculture frame survey that gave us some insights regarding the challenges that are being encountered in Manicaland Province. And the Fish for ACP project came in to stand in between the gap to address some of these challenges, which include market-related issues. So with this cold chain facility that is going to be established in Mutare, we are quite sure that the farmers in Manicaland are going to actually be able to solve one of the major challenges that is being encountered in the aquaculture value chain for the province, that is post-harvest losses that have been experienced due to absence of refrigeration, logistics in terms of fish movement from the producers to where they can be kept safely. So for Manicaland Province, which has managed to pilot the cold chain facility initiative, we are quite sure that the farmers will have access to market, will have access to cold chain facility, which will see our farmers in Manicaland Province growing and multiplying in production, since they would have a secure market, a secure storage facilities for fish.
My name is Sokonia Kaitano. I'm the Vice Chairperson for Zimbabwe Fish Producers Association at national level. I'm also the pioneer founder of this association in 2016 when it was launched in Harare. Besides being a member of the FPA, I'm also a technical service provider in the aquaculture sector, where I help farmers in terms of knowledge and skills, the technology, infrastructure designs and development. This intervention that has come to Manicaland, especially the Manica cold chain company that we have signed today with our partner, Bisma or Molu Smiths. To us, it's a very great intervention for the small scale fish farmers, because since we've been crying as a Zimbabwe Fish Association about our farmers producing fish where they don't have the formal markets, and they were forced to sell their fish within their local communities at anyhow price. Why? Because they fear their fish to go rot, because they don't have the cold chain, and also they cannot bid for the right price. Instead, they will just sell their fish with very low prices, which is not good for their production. But now this intervention which has come to Manicaland will now assist our farmers to find a formal market, and people will now produce fish knowing very well that we've got a ready market to consume our fish at any time. So what we need to do in ZFPA with this intervention is to make sure our farmers are well organized so that those small scale farmers who doesn't produce more volumes, even if they produce 200, but if we aggregate more farmers into clusters, 200 times 40 people, it means you're talking about 8,000. So it means you can have 8 tons for a cluster, which is very good for this intervention to come and get all the fish from our farmers. So this is the work that we do now as FPA that we need to do and encourage our farmers. And also our farmers now to move away to transit from being a subsistence farmer to become a commercial farmer doing business. So we encourage our farmers to start by having a minimum of 400 square meter ponds so that they can start to make some commercial sense in whatever they do. And I think with that, with the over 2,000 farmers in Manicaland, definitely will keep this cold chain functional each and every time without a problem.
Yeah, chiitiko chaitika panapa chejoint venture agreement yataita panapa chinhu chinofadza zvikuru, especially patiri isu sebicycle investment iya inozivikanwa semolu smiths, nekuti fish chimwe tanga tichitsvaga kuti tingawana sei mukana kuti tishande nema-smallholder farmers, ma-fish producers ari scattered all over Manicaland and also in Zimbabwe. Saka mukana wetaita neZimbabwe Fish Producers Association kuti tite come up with this joint venture watipa mukana mukuru wekuti tigone kuwana fish dzese kubva kuma-smallholder farmers at any level. Izvi zvinobva zvatibatsira kuti zvinotikomplimendawo pane zvatagara tichiita, nokuti isu tinoita mbudzi, tinoita mombe, tinoita huku, tinoita wine, but fish ndo chinhu chitanga tisina. Asi nhasi uno ndine mufaro kuti tasanganiswa uye tabatana, takugona kubatsira varimi vose kuti vaone kuti fish dzavanorima dzinowana very good market, vachibhadharwa nemaprizes ari right, uye anoita kuti basa ravo rienderere mberi. Saka icho chinhu chiri kutifadza zvikuru kwazvo.
Yeah. Okay, my name is Paul Mira with Fish for ACP project under FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization. This project is being implemented by Fish for ACP, that's Fish for Africa and Caribbean Pacific, and it's being funded by the EU and German Federal Ministry for Economic Cooperation, abbreviated as BMZ. The objective of this initiative is actually to establish a cold chain facility here in Mutare to provide a platform where farmers can sell their fish as an off-taker place. So we managed to select Zimbabwe Fish Producers Association, which is a network, an organization representing a network of Zimbabwe fish producers here in Manicaland. They are now forming a partnership with Bicycle, which is popularly known here in Mutare as Melu Smiths. These are already involved in meats products and are now adding fish on their products. So this joint venture is going to be called Manica cold chain facility. It is going to be established in Odzi area, where there is also some cold chain facilities there. Fish for ACP is establishing this cold chain facility where it's going to bring in equipment that is meant to preserve the fish. That's called freezers, cold chain freezers, and walk-in cold rooms where the fish will be put in and then, of course, brought into Mutare, where they will be sold to farmers.
Right. My name is Garikai Mose Shobona, and I'm the director at Aquaculture Zimbabwe. Fish for ACP, our main role is going to train
Let's go.
smallholder farmers in Manicaland. We started off with Mutasa district, And then for this particular cold chain facility, we are here to promote the market-led side of the project. And our role was to match-make between the Zimbabwe Fish Producers Association and the private investor. And in this case, the private investor is Molus Investments, or Baiskima, as they are otherwise known. And our role now is culminated in the consummation of the relationship. So the signing ceremony that we have just witnessed here is testimony to the fulfillment of the objectives of our engagement as Aquaculture Zimbabwe.